Dr. T. Susan Ramaperumal. Today we are going to see a topic in object-oriented programming. Today topic is built-in exception. So exceptions that are already available in Java libraries are referred to as built-in exceptions. These exceptions are also able to define the error situations so that we can understand the reasons for getting this error. It can be categorized into two broader categories, that is checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions. This is the type of exceptions created by the object oriented programming. First one is user defined exception, another one is built-in exceptions. For in built-in exceptions we have two types, checked exception and unchecked exception. For checked inspection we have so many different types of exceptions, and also in unchecked exceptions also we have so many different types of exceptions. Checked exceptions. Checked exceptions are called as compile time exceptions because these exceptions are checked at compile time by the compiler. The compiler ensures whether the programmer handles the exception or not. Unchecked exception. The unchecked exceptions are just opposite to the checked exception. The compiler will not check these exceptions at compile time. In simple words, if a program throws an unchecked exception and even if we didn't handle or declare it, the program would not given a compilation error. User defined exception. In Java we already have some built-in exception classes like array index bound of out of bounds exception, null pointer exception, arithmetical exception. These exceptions are restricted to trigger on some predefined conditions